Hello, my wonderful YouTube friends. So I am back. I haven't uploaded anything in this channel in more than 2.5 years now. And if you have been following me on my other channel, you have seen that I have had a lot to do with that channel. And I have been focusing completely on that channel for the past 2.5 years. But I have missed filming beauty videos, and I tried to implement beauty videos into my other channel that is more fitness related, more activewear reviews and things. But I just feel like it doesn't feel right. I feel like I need to split those two. So that is why I'm back at Denice Beauty Corner, and here I am going to do what I used to do. It's going to be a lot of makeup related, beauty related, do it yourself, like how you can take care of yourself, and also some luxury, like some luxury bags. I'm going to review some luxury items if you want to. Maybe more fashion items. You will decide. So I really need your help in this, because you will have to help me with which content you would like to see here on my channel. So I'm very excited about this. Also, my first goal here is to get this channel monetized, and for that I need like 4,000 minutes views and 1,000 subscribers. I would be so glad if you could click that little subscribe button and also watch my whole videos, so it's adding up in the hours. No, it's not watching minutes, it's 4,000 watch hours in 1 year to be able to monetize the videos. So if you are a part of my regular Denice Andre YouTube family, I want to say thank you so much for coming with me to this channel as well. It's going to be a lot of everything here, and I think it's a good complement to my other channel also, where I will mainly focus on reviews and fitness and lifestyle there. So also, as you might have seen, if you are from my other channel, I am using the same background here as I am in my other channel, and let me know if that is something that, like, would you like me to change up the backgrounds when I'm filming for this, or do you think I should keep it this way and keep this background like it's something that is in common with both the channels, even though the content is going to be completely different? Let me know down below. But for this video, I am going to talk about my makeup collection. So I'm going to show you how I store my makeup, and I'm going to go through not everything in depth, but if there is anything you would like me to talk more in depth about, you just let me know in the comment section down below. But I'm just roughly going to go through my makeup, how I store it, what I have roughly in my makeup collection, and I think that will give you an overview also of the items that I have. Maybe there is something you will love to see a tutorial of, or a more in-depth review, something like, is this worth it, is this not worth it? So that is why I wanted to kickstart this channel again with my makeup collection. So we're going to start with the makeup that I have in my everyday makeup bag. So I do have 2 Louis Vuitton makeup bags. So in this toiletry I have my, like, all my body lotion and face moisturizing and everything, and let me know if there is anything you would like to see a review of this Louis Vuitton bags. So I'm not going to go through this, because these are my deodorant, like hairbrush, like that kind of thing. But in this bag I also keep this makeup bag, and in here I have all the brushes that I use for my everyday. So I'm not going to go through all the brushes, but I keep my brushes in here, since my makeup bag is so little, because I did pick the smallest one that Louis Vuitton had. It also comes in a bigger size, but this is the petite size. So in here I just keep the essentials, like the things that I use on an everyday to do this makeup look, because I just came home from work and filmed this video, so I have not put on any more makeup or anything. I just go through very easy with the makeup on an everyday. So I'm going to show you what I have in here. So I have 2 concealers, and it's the same type of concealer but in 2 different shades, because right now I have a little bit of a tan, so I have the darker shade, but usually I have the very, very bright shade. And this is actually a very, very affordable. This is like $2 each, and it's a very good concealer for an everyday, because it's not giving too much cover, because I'm not using foundation on an everyday. So this one is perfect, and it's from Glam Sweden. And then I have a setting powder that is from Giorgio Armani, and this is actually the refill So this is supposed to be like something you put in a refill in the fancy packaging, but it's so sleek when you have it like this. So that is why I use it like this. Then I have a Smashbox Trio. So this one is the one I'm using for just a little bronzing. As you can see, I just go very slightly with the bronzing. I have my NARS Sin Blush that I love, could not live without that one. I have just a little highlighter, and here I have Becca Opal. Yeah, Becca Opal in the travel size. So this one is perfect. Just for a little highlight, I just do a little highlight and a little inner corner highlight. And this is my Anastasia pomade, and it's in dark brown. And then I am just going over my brows after filling them in with this eyebrow shaping like gel wax. And this is also from Glam of Sweden, so it's also like $2, very good price. Then I have a mascara. Right now I have the Maybelline mascara. I buy random mascaras. I have not found my ride or die mascara yet. And then I have this one I actually never used, but this is a CC cream that I just put here, but I honestly don't use it as for right now, because on an everyday I don't use foundation or anything. I just put on a little bit of concealer just to cover some darkness. So now it's empty, so this is pretty much everything I have in my everyday makeup bags. But I do have a much bigger collection over here, so I think we're going to take a look. And as I said, in this video we are going to go through it roughly. But if there is anything you want me to do more in-depth review or anything of, just let me know. But we're going to head into the corner right here where I have my makeup section. So this section I'm actually filming with my cell phone since I have my studio here. So in this corner here, right in the middle of my closet, I have my makeup collection. So my makeup collection is going from this drawer and all the way up here. So I have to say that I have been slimming down my makeup collection a lot, because I used to have like double or triple as much makeup. But when I moved into this apartment, I did go through my makeup and I did declutter a lot. So we're gonna start in the bottom drawer. And here I have my lashes that I have like used once or twice that I can use more time. So these are not new lashes, these are lashes that are used. And under here I also have some lashes. I think this is used ones. No, this is new ones, but this is lashes that is like comes in multiple, like you see, like 5 of each. Here I have some spare brushes. I have a lot of brushes, and here I have some spare ones if I'm doing more like full face makeup or something. And here I also have brushes, but I have small brushes. And here, this one used to be, before I bought my Louis Vuitton, this used to be my everyday makeup bag. So in here I actually have some of the things that I used to have on an everyday when I was doing a little more full cover. My La Mer foundation that I love, some setting spray. Also, like I like to do like naked basic eye makeup sometimes on an everyday. I don't do it so much now. I feel like in the summertime I do not feel like putting on so much makeup. During the winter time I put on a little bit more. Also some highlighter. So here I have a little bit of everything. And under here I have another one with brushes, and here is the eye brushes that I use the most when I'm doing my eye makeup. So when I'm doing my eye makeup, like a full face, I just grab this one, and here I have all the brushes that I like when I'm doing a full face. These are just spared ones that I don't use so much. So this is the first drawer. The next drawer we have, everything is bought from Ikea, by the way. So my whole closet area here is from Ikea, and I have just like built it myself. So these are all from Ikea, and these little inserts here are also from Ikea. So I just put all of these inserts like this, so I could put my makeup, so I can fit in more makeup. So here I have like this is eye pencils, some eyelash glue. Here are some sticks and things. And here are, what is this? here are some random things. Eye drops and some face sprays, and here are some spared mascaras. This one is actually from my beauty blender, but I don't put my beauty blender in there so much. And here are all lip products. So all these 4 are lip products. So here is my liquid lipsticks, some lip glosses, lip pencils, and here are more like lip sticks that are not liquid lips. And in here I have all my foundations. So here I have my Hourglass foundations and some other stick foundations, and also my concealers, my Tarte concealers that I have in 4 different shades. And here are all my other foundations, and I used to have so much foundations, but I've decluttered so much. So here are some random foundations that I still kept. Makeups, I have a little bit of everything. This is an It cosmetic. Here are also some foundations and some other foundations. And down here, like in the back here, I have all my liquid highlighters, both from Revolution, Makeup Revolution, and also from, what is it, Cover FX, yeah. So, and in the back here I have like some spared beauty blenders and things. It's actually not beauty blenders. I buy my beauty blenders, like the sponges, from AliExpress, and I will never buy any other sponges again, because these are like $1 and they are as good as the beauty blender. So yeah. And here, my friends, I picked on this ones because it's so much things in there. I wanted to have the closed front, but in this too, I wanted to have it like with an open front, so you can see a little bit of makeup shining through. And I think it looks pretty good when you see it from a little bit of distance. So in this one, I have all my palettes. And my friends, as you see, it's a lot, so I'm not going to go through all these palettes. But I have, these are actually new. I haven't played so much with them. It's the color book from Makeup Revolution. I have all of them in all the colors. And I actually wanted to film a video on this, and I did film a video for my old channel, but for my other channel, but I never posted that one because I just didn't feel it was the right channel to post that video anymore. So I deleted that one, but let me know if you do want me to do a new video of this, because they are pretty good actually. But yeah, I have a little bit of mixed feelings. My Natasha Denona, I have some Natasha Denona in the back here also. My Tati Beauty palette that I love. Some, oh, this is from Benefit. Here are my C palettes with a lot of Makeup Geek. This is actually from AliExpress, and I have some in the back here that is from AliExpress. And here is another C palette, but I cannot take it without taking out everything else. Some Marc Jacobs, a lot of ColourPop palettes. I have a lot of them here. Some BH Cosmetic, some Morphe down here, Juvia's Place. This is also AliExpress, the iMagic. Zodiac palette from Kathleen Light. I really like Kathleen Light a lot. I have some other palettes from Kathleen Light in collaboration with ColourPop. Where do I have them? Oh, I do not know. I have them here somewhere. Here are some of my favorite palettes. My Lorac Pro 1 and 2. They are so used. I mean, I have been using it so much. You see, it's pretty beaten up, but you can do anything with this. I love it so much. Another Lorac palette that I love. Some more Makeup Revolution. Here I have some key, like Urban Decay. I used to have all the Urban Decay, like the chocolate bar, the semi-chocolate bar, the peach, sweet peach, all of them. But I actually got rid of them because I never reached for them. So I just kept this too. The Naked Basic. No, this is the Smoky. And the Naked One palette. I have a lot of Sueva palettes and my Shade and Light palettes. And here is some Ben Nye palettes that I really like. Yeah, so I do have a lot of palettes here. As I said, I think I slimmed it down to like half my palettes collection when I moved. And up here, my friends, we are having lashes that are new lashes. So these are all new and not used. And over here I have all my highlighters, and the same thing here. I was going crazy when I decluttered, so I decluttered more than half my highlighters. So I have some of them here. This one is a collaboration with Kathleen Light, also with Makeup Geek. I love this palette. But I have some Gerard Cosmetics, some MAC, some Hourglass, Wet n Wild, more MAC. I have a little bit of everything. And in this section I have all my blushes and powders, so also my bronzers. Yeah, that is blushes, bronzes and powders. And these containers are also from Ikea. They actually come in this size, and then this slimmer sizes that I have in here, and then this small. It's like a package. In the back here I have my metal matte palette from Kat Von D that I love, but it doesn't fit in my drawer of palettes, so I have it back here. So yeah, I have a little bit of everything here. NARS, ELF, yeah, not so much, but a little bit. And then up here I actually have, in here I have smaller palettes, and these are also from Ikea. And this container I bought from AliExpress for like $10. It actually used to sit on my venue. Oh, it's a little bit dirty in there, but it's beautiful to have on your venue. But now I just have it up here. And in this one I actually have some AliExpress. I'm gonna open this drawer and put it here so we can go through it, because here I have some AliExpress makeup that I have played with it a little bit. Oh, here's a spare of the concealer that I liked. I didn't even know that I had it. I'm gonna put it in this container. So I bought this because I was planning on filming like a full face using only AliExpress makeup. Let me know if that is something you would see. So I bought like foundation, concealer, blush, setting powder, lip products, mascara, and here is a eyeshadow palette that I think is a dupe for the Urban Decay, this like travel all around the world or travel palette. So let me know if that is a video you would like me to film, because it's a very affordable makeup, so if it's good you can save yourself a lot of money. So yeah, this is my makeup collection, but I think I'm gonna jump back to my place in my studio and film the rest of the video. So yeah, my friends, there you had my makeup collection and how I store it. And as I said, this was a little roughly going through my makeup collection, because otherwise if I go through everything very in depth, we will be sitting here a long time, and I don't think you have that time. But I think that this is a good length on the first video, not too long, not too short. And I'm happy to be back here, and my goal is I'm gonna try to upload one video every week on this channel. So that is my goal. I hope I can do that, because I'm still gonna upload my 3 videos every week on my main channel, my other channel. I'm not gonna say main channel anymore, because now I have 2. So thank you, my friends, for staying with me today, and I really would love your help to get this channel monetized. So give it a thumbs up, leave comments, because it helps more people to find my videos here on this channel also. Feel free to share it, and if you are new to me and my channels, go and check out my other channel as well. I have a lot of good videos coming there every single week. But for this time, my friends, I'm gonna say thank you so much for watching and staying with me to the end of this video, and I hope I will see you in my next video. But for this time, I say thank you so much for watching, and bye.